Welcome to the Temperate deciduous forest. And now we're going to talk about the location.
It is found in the eastern and western United States, and also in Canada, Central Mexico, South America, Europe, China, Japan, South Korea, and North Korea, and also Russia.
It grows between the tropics and the polar regions in both the northern and southern hemispheres. And that's it for the location. Now let's investigate the climate.
The temperate deciduous forests have a moist continental climate. Its latitude is range anywhere from 23 degrees to north 38 degrees.
It has all the four seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. It usually has mild summers averaging about 70 degrees Fahrenheit and cold winters.
The precipitation of the forest has almost 14 inches of rain in winter and more than 18 inches of rain in summers.
Now it's about time we talk about the plants and the animals.
The temperate deciduous forest includes both herbivores and carnivores.
Some herbivores include European red squirrels, which are endangered because their habitats are being destroyed.
There are more carnivores in the temperate deciduous forest than herbivores. That includes bald eagles, black bears, white-tailed deer, duck-billed platypus, coyotes, eastern chipmunk, and so on. They usually feed on fishes, small animals with meat such as hare or mouse, but they also eat plants.
The white-tailed deer was once nearly wiped out in much of the northeast and midwest of the United States, but because of the hunting restrictions and fewer predators, there are now a lot of them.
Let's wrap things up and head on to the plants, shall we?
Sure! There are many layers of plants growing in the temperate deciduous forest, from small to big.
There are small plants like mosses, ferns, lichens which grow beneath the shadows of the tall trees.
There are trees such as white birch growing in the forest. The trees in the temperate deciduous forest are hardwood trees.
Hardwooded trees means that they lose leaves in the winter, and like their name, they are very, very hard and takes time to grow.
Last but not least, we're going to discuss about the human effects to the deciduous forest.
The biggest effect we have done to rainforests is cutting down trees. That makes the animals which live there lose their habitat.
Not only the trees, we, humans, also hunt down animals for money or food and get herbs from the forest for medicine.
There are some animals in the forest which are endangered due to the overhunting from humans, but some have successfully reproduced and has now recovered from endangered.
Plants are very important. They provide us oxygen and sucks up the carbon dioxide we produce. And now we're cutting them down for money.
Since hardwooded trees takes time to grow, we must try to cut less trees in the temperate deciduous forest or other forests.
Try to recycle and use less paper for the sake of the temperate deciduous forest.
Thank you for watching our presentation.
Hope you enjoyed it and have learned something from it. Now let's save the temperate deciduous forest.